So I remember 3 years ago when I was brainstorming the topic of the first course that I've ever created, I was extremely stressed about the topic. I was having thoughts like, are people gonna like this topic? Am I really an expert in this field and am I qualified enough to teach about this topic? Is this topic hot? Are people actually going to search for this topic and click and buy my course? And it's funny because if you compare this topic research process with the topic research process that I'm doing right now after creating more than 15 courses and having more than 30,000 students across my whole platforms, I literally come up with a topic in like 10 or 15 minutes. I script and outline my course in a day and I shoot it in less than 5 days. But I really wanted to make this video right here because I think that one of the biggest limiting beliefs that people have before entering this online course creation process, before starting creating their online courses, they genuinely don't know which topics to teach. So this is exactly why I created this video right here. In this video, we're going through the whole brainstorming process to help you come up with your first course topic. So before we dive into this brainstorming process, I'm just gonna give you some examples of courses that are out there and are selling on Udemy. I'm giving you these examples to prove how random course creation can be and that you can literally create a course on anything. So check out these examples. The first course is called Hypnosis. Prepare yourself for surgery with self-hypnosis. So this dude literally created a 40-minute course on how to hypnotize yourself before surgery, right? And people are enrolling in this course. This other course right here is called Genealogy. Learn to climb the branches of your family tree. This guy created a course on how to climb the ladders of your family tree and identify who your relatives are. This course also has 50 reviews, which means that a lot of people actually have enrolled in this. So if there is something that I need you to understand is that you can literally create a course on any topic that interests you. But let's dive even deeper into this brainstorming process of actually coming up with a topic to teach. The golden rule that I need you to remember is that you don't need to be a qualified expert with degrees and diplomas to actually create and list a course online. There's only one box that you need to check in order to create your online course, and this is that you need to be just one step ahead of your students in order to teach them something. Because think of it that way. Let's say that you're learning how to skateboard. Obviously, Tony Hawk can teach you how to perform some very basic tricks on a skateboard. But I feel like many people will actually relate even more to a simple guy that is just one step ahead of them, that has just landed this trick and can provide more immediate feedback into how to land this trick rather than Tony Hawk that landed it like 50 years ago. Do you understand what I'm getting here? Students actually value you being not the ultimate expert, but just being one step ahead of them. So now that we've established that you don't need to be an expert in order to teach something online, I'm going to reveal to you the one question that you need to ask yourself to make your life extremely easier when it comes to researching this topic of your course. And this one question is, what would my younger self want to know? Because think of it that way. You have the knowledge that your younger self would like to have, right? You have the knowledge, you have the experience. You also know your younger self because you know yourself better than anyone else. So you know how to target your younger self. You know exactly which title and which description you need to add to your online course to attract your younger self, simply because this was yourself. And the third and most important part is that your younger self isn't as unique as you think. There are 8 billion people in this earth, and trust me, you can at least find 100,000 people that have the exact same problem that your younger self used to have. So those are the people that we're targeting. So let's say that you've actually come up with a topic that your younger self would really like to know, and you are one step ahead of him and you actually decide to go ahead and teach this topic. Now, there is a small problem, and this small problem is that this topic might not have a huge demand right now. And in this channel right here, we're focusing on the best strategies to exponentially grow your revenue with online courses. So just creating an okay, if you will, online course topic won't exponentially increase your revenue. So what would exponentially increase your revenue? If we want to generate the most amount of money with online courses, we need to combine a topic that we know and we are somewhat of an expert on this topic, or at least we're one step ahead of our students, with a topic that is extremely hot at this point of time. So let me give you an example to put things into perspective. I know how to shoot, edit, and upload videos on YouTube. Okay, I have been doing this for years and I am considered to be an expert on this. Now, I could create a simple course on how to upload videos on YouTube, okay, how to shoot, how to edit, and how to upload videos on YouTube. But I decided to take this topic that I'm really familiar with and combine it with a topic that is extremely hot at this point of time, and this topic is artificial intelligence. So rather than just creating a simple how to create videos on YouTube course, I created a course on how to create YouTube videos using the power of artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. So combining a topic that I'm really interested and have the expertise on with a topic that is extremely hot at this point of time, this gave me the maximal results and the maximal revenue out of this course. So again, to summarize, if you manage to combine topics that you are comfortable teaching and you are one step ahead of your younger self, which you obviously are, with topics that are hot right now and of high demand, then you will hit the gold mine of this online course creation business. Now, after watching this video, you might be like, okay, dude, if it is that simple and that easy, why isn't everybody doing this? So let me actually reveal why some online course creators see exponential growth, okay, and huge success in this online course creation business, while others never really succeed. And this factor that determines if you're going to succeed in this online course creation business is speed. How fast can you script, outline, come up with a topic, shoot, edit, and upload a course? Speed is the secret key of success that people in this online course creation field leverage in order to see exponential growth and exponential results. And this is exactly why I created my program, the 7-day course creation program. The 7-day course creation program takes a complete beginner with absolute no idea regarding video editing, videography, and courses in general, and in 7 days through an intense program manages to take him from a complete beginner to creating his first online course and generating money from his first online course. So if you're interested in enrolling in the 7-day course creation program, is the second link in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in the next one.